Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming two ordinary spoons into a powerful high-definition TV antenna. I'll place them in a vise and hammer the bowls completely flat. This is crucial because flattening them increases the surface area, which helps catch more television signals from the air. Next, I'm using a marker to mark two specific points on the spoon and a straight line along the handle. Now, I'll carefully drill holes at those marked spots. These holes are necessary to securely attach the conducting elements and mounting hardware later on. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm putting the tips of the handles back in the vise and bending them at a 90-degree angle. This simple modification turns the handles into sturdy mounting brackets for our base. Using an angle grinder, I will carefully smooth the edges of the holes I just drilled. Next, I'll take a couple of small nails and use hot glue to fix them into the holes I drilled earlier. These will act as our central contact posts for the antenna structure. Now for a neat trick. I'll take a piece of coaxial cable, strip the insulation to get the solid copper core, and coil it tightly to form a spring shape. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'll make two of these and attach them to the top nails. These coiled springs act as signal amplifiers, greatly enhancing reception. To ensure everything is electrically connected, I'm wrapping fine copper wire around the nails. A solid, continuous connection is the secret to a strong, uninterrupted signal. It's time to assemble the base. I'm taking a small wooden block and screwing the bent spoon brackets directly into it. The wood is a great insulator and provides a stable platform for our antenna. Now, I'm stripping the ends of a red and a blue wire. I will connect the red wire to one of the spoon's nail and the blue wire to the other spoon. These will carry the captured signal down to our main cable. I'm attaching the other ends of the red and blue wires to a standard electrical terminal block. Then I will firmly glue the connector block to the wooden base. This keeps our wiring neat and provides an easy connection point for the TV line. I'm preparing the main antenna cable. I have a standard coaxial cable here. I'm carefully stripping back the outer insulation to expose the braided shield and the solid copper core. I'm attaching the F connector to the newly stripped end. I'm attaching an L-shaped coaxial connector to this end of the cable. I'm securing it tightly with red electrical tape to increase durability and insulation. Similarly, I'm stripping the insulation from the other end of the wire to expose the copper core and braided sheath. I'll use tape to keep it completely isolated from the inner core. This is super important. If they touch, it creates a short circuit and ruins the signal. Now, I'll connect the inner core to the side of the terminal block with the red wire, and the outer braid to the side with the blue wire. Our DIY spoon antenna is now fully assembled. As you can see, this TV currently has no signal and isn't picking up any channels. I'll take our homemade cable and plug it right into the antenna port on the back. Look how perfectly it works. We are picking up tons of free channels with crystal clear, high-definition picture quality, all thanks to a couple of old spoons. I can now browse through various channels with a clear picture and sound. This is a fantastic way to get free TV channels without expensive cable or satellite services. Just to prove it's not magic, let me unplug the antenna from the back of the TV. See, instantly, no signal appears again. This confirms that our DIY device is indeed responsible for pulling in those channels. Now, let's plug it back in. And just like that, the signal returns, and we have live TV once more. It's consistently working across various channels. If you enjoyed this project and found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me if you plan to try this yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.